About 2 hours from Geneva, Switzerland, there's a city called Gruyère. It's on top peak of the Alp Mountains. They're saying it's called a medieval city, and it has a chocolate and ice cream factory. So today we are going there to see how that medieval city looked like. I heard a lot of tourists go there as well. On the way, we saw this lake just before the Gruyère city. It's a huge lake. A lot of people live on the side, but this is not the Gruyère city. From here, we start going up the mountain on top of the Alps. I want to share that with you. So stay with us till I show you this city because it's an amazing city. You can't believe that that is also Switzerland, such a beautiful country and such a city, medieval, hundreds of year old city on top of the Alp mountain, which nobody even knows except the tourist buses go there and to bring people from different places to show it to them. Stay with us, please. This is a medieval city. We came in on top of the Alp Mountains. I just want to show you the Alp Mountains here, the scenery, and then we go into the medieval city here. They say there's a chocolate and ice cream factory here. So let's see if we can show you that factory and maybe we can buy some chocolate. This is the medieval city, very old city on top of the mountains. Huh? This is the medieval city. I have to spell it for you. I think Gruyères, that's what the city is called. Hello. Hi. You make these chocolates right here?
Hello?
You make the chocolate here? These chocolates, you make them here?
Yeah? You have a big factory, chocolate factory, no?
This is the only place?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that's it. This was the chocolate factory, about 5 by 5 feet, and the lady was making chocolates. We saw no ice creams, but this is so popular in the brochure saying the chocolate factory, and you saw it yourself. This is what's called chocolate factory. We bought nothing from here, but of course we enjoyed the city. It is really hundreds of year old city. A lot of tourists came in here. We enjoyed the city, but of course no chocolate. نه بمدغه کارخانه او بله نشته او که تپوس هغې وایي همدغه کارخانه ده بله نشته. It's a beautiful city on top of the Alp Mountains. Now those are the Alp Mountain and this is right on top of it. You keep driving up and up and up and up and up. Finally reach this city. They call it medieval city. It's a very old city. And of course, now is a tourist attraction here. This is the famous castle in Gruyères, Switzerland. Said, I don't know how many years old it is, but they're talking about hundreds of years old. Let's see if I can go inside and explore some more. This is the view from the top of the mountain. There's a small cemetery. The interesting thing is that when you look at the peak of the Alp mountain, you think it's just a small ridge, and if you go a few feet here and there from it, you will fall all the way down. But no, we drove all the way up, and look at this city on top, right on top of peak of those Alp mountains, a huge complex. I'm surprised how it looks from the bottom, and when you come up on top, you can see all this development of the city on it, and you're surprised that how big it is on the top. So I want to share that with you. If you like it, please subscribe for the channel, and also like the video. Thank you very much.